How to make an image move in Canva. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to make an image move in Canva. Whether you are creating eye-catching social posts, dynamic presentation or simple animation, this tutorial is for you. Now, adding motion to your image instantly makes your design more engaging. It helps draw attention, tell stories more clearly and add professional touch. Perfectly for marketers, content creators and small business owners. Now, let's get started. So, by the end of this video, you will be able to create animated images just like this one. Now let's get started. First thing first, head over to Canva and log in with your credential and log in with your account. Then click on this create button in the left side and create a Instagram post, video or presentation, or if you want to customize it, if you need a specific dimension, you can customize it. Then just simply select your preferred format. I'm using this presentation option. Just simply click on it and wait for a few seconds. After choosing your format, on the left side we have this upload option over here, where this is where you can upload your own asset to Canva and use into your Canva design. Now what I'm going to do, I will just simply select an image over here, like this Coca-Cola or just anything like this, and drag to in my canvas. Now it will upload automatically in the left side, you can see there. Now let's say if you want to create the animation to this, so how you can make this image movable into Canva, just go into animation. Let's first talk about the simple animation. These are some featured simple animation you can use to make your image movable in Canva. So these are reveal, link, and this is digital. So these are animation. These animation are good, I guess. And photo zoom, pulse, flicker, add-on effect, wiggle. If you want to add wiggle, you can add this effect to your image. Now let's move to advanced animation. For more control, click on this create animation option. Click on this button. From here, what you have to do is hold the shift and draw an element around the canvas to create your animation. Just simply draw this, shift, and this will create a key frame for your object, as you can see here. Now as you can see here, this image is moving. So just simply select. You can just simply add some movement style as well, like if you want some uh, okay, orient element to the part, you can give that too. Now if you want to move to a speed in this, if you want to increase the speed of this object, you can increase. Now this is a presentation setting. Click on this, appear on click on it. If you want to click orders, you can add that too. Then we have add-on effects like this one, pulse. It will create pulse effect and also an keyword animation. Now once you are done, click on the share to download these kind of effect. Just simply click on the share, and in the share we have over here, you will get this download option. Just simply download this animation and you can use anywhere you want. So you can do a lot of things with this image. Now let's say if you want to use magic new animation, click on this magic animation. Let's see how it goes, how it works, just for this tutorial. Let's see, click on the animation and go back. Okay, maybe there is a issue. Click on this again, magic animation. From here you can choose different more animation like minimal, garage, digital, and handmade, playful, elegant, and energetic as well. So you have a lot of options to give animation to your or make your image movable. So That's how you can make your image move in Canva. It's super simple, right? If you found this video helpful, then go ahead and give the video a thumb. Subscribe for more Canva tutorial and let me know in the comment if there is a feature you would like me to cover in the next video. So thanks for watching.